Back again with Big D and shit. But yeah, can't even show y'all what buddy caught. But I'm finna throw his subs in or whatever. And I'm gonna show y'all pretty much how to, well, I gotta tell anyway, but how to wire up an amp and subs for a scat pack or any charger mopar with the battery in the back. And you don't wanna run your RC cables and shit. So I'm finna show y'all that, so y'all just stay tuned. So if you're not trying to run your RC cables all the way to your radio, if you don't have an aftermarket radio and all that, what you need right here, line output converter. That's what you need. So you get that, right? You got your ground. Well, I gotta go back through the wiring, but all you gotta do is splice that into your subwoofer or your mids and well, not your mids and highs, but your mids. Either one, it don't matter. But you gonna splice into the I'm gonna splice into the subwoofer, and that's all I gotta do. Then we good to go. And this right here, it's easy. Ain't nothing but little pop tabs to pop that out. Just drop it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. I'm holding it up. Y'all see the holes. It's 4. I'm holding it up. Y'all drop it down. Then pull that wire down. Then I'm gonna show y'all me splicing it in. So as of right now, we got the ground on there. See, ground right there. Just tapped into the factory ground where the battery ground is at. Got the ground running, tapping into the power. And if your fuse box comes separately, make sure you keep your fuse box closest to your battery as possible. Keep it as close as possible. It don't matter. You want to pull that up though. And yeah, push that piece in.
Got down loose and left.
That's how he wanted it. Mr. Scott, I'm DD audio all day, every day. But I guess that's what he prefers.
It's on sale, man.
I guess that's what he prefers.
Folks fucking with the Scar Audio.
Oh yeah, Scar Audio, they're a good company. But for anybody who watching the video trying to install subs on the charger and they don't want to go to a dealership or whatever, hit me up in the comments and I can walk you through it, like through the phone or Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. It's simple, you know what I'm saying? It might be overwhelming, only because y'all ain't never did it before, but it's easy. Just let me know. If you got any questions, jump in the inbox, whatever. But I'm out, man. Y'all enjoy yourselves. I did that.